Now we will look at how to build a Power BI dashboard. With Power BI Desktop, you can connect data from multiple data sources, transform the data using Power Query, use the data models to create visualizations and reports, share Power BI Desktop PBIX files like any other files, and also publish to Power BI service if you have the license for others to leverage and view your report. To get started, make sure you have downloaded Power BI Desktop. It is free. Step 1. Each time you launch Power BI Desktop, it displays the welcome screen. From the welcome screen, you can get data, see recent sources, open recent reports, open other reports, or select other links. Click the X on the top right corner to exit the page. Step 2. On the left side of Power BI Desktop are three icons for the three Power BI Desktop views: Report, Data, and Model. Report view is the default view as shown below. Step 3. To see the many types of data sources available, in the Home ribbon click, Get Data and More. The Get Data window will appear. Scroll through the list of all data sources. Once you find the data source you would like to use, click Connect. Step 4. For this tutorial, we will be using the sample dataset in Power BI. To get that, go to the home screen, select, try a sample dataset and load sample data. Step 5. At this point you can select, load to load the data, or transform data to make changes in the table before you load it. Step 6. In Power BI Desktop Report View, you can build visualizations and reports. The report view has some important areas. You can create and arrange visualizations on the canvas area in the middle. In the top ribbon, you can see common tasks related to reports and visualizations. Data visualizations can be filtered using the Filters pane. The Visualizations pane allows you to add, edit, or customize visuals, and drill through them. The Fields pane shows the fields available in your queries. To create or modify visualizations, drag fields onto the Canvas, Filters pane, or Visualizations pane. Step 7. Now that you have loaded your data, it's time to create your report. To add a title, on the Insert ribbon, select Text box and type your preferred title, Finance Report. To change the font size or color, highlight the text you typed and use the dialog box to set it. Then, resize the box to fit one line. Step 8. Now, we will create a visualization from the sample data to see the month and year that has the highest profit. From the Fields pane, drag the profit field to a blank area on the report canvas. By default, Power BI displays a column chart with one column, Profit. Step 9. Select the X-axis value from the drop-down menu in the Fields section of the Visualizations pane. Date hierarchy should be changed to date. Each month's profit will be displayed automatically in the column chart. It is possible to change the type of a selected visualization by selecting a different icon, or to create a new visualization by selecting an icon without selecting an existing visualization. Repeat the same steps that create different visuals for the report you would like to present. You can share your Power BI Desktop PBIX files like any other files. Step 10. Now that you have a Power BI Desktop report, you can share it with others. You can share Power BI Desktop PBIX files like any other files by clicking on the File button and saving to your preferred location. You can also publish to Power BI service if you have the license for others to leverage and view your report. Thanks for viewing this video. Please visit us at our website for more great content or to ask any questions you may have.